Allah. Oh Allah the Almighty, Allahu Allah, protect me and guide me, Allahu Allah, to your love and mercy, Allahu Allah. Ya Allah, don't deprive me